he had built a robot, and they asked, with what had he wrought her? He said, with plastic and steel and gold and solder. Solder. S-O-L-D-E-R. Solder. Solder is an old word coming from apparently Old English and Old French and Old Latin, and it describes an even older concept or material because what it is, first of all, is an alloy or a mixture of metals that is used to bond other metals together. And today we use solder to maybe bond electronic conductive materials together, like two pieces of copper wire or something, or you might even bond two metal pipes together. But we've been using something like solder for a long time, thousands of years, in fact. Humans have mixed metals together, and when you heat up this metal, it can get really liquid, and it flows, and it can flow on two different separate pieces, and then you remove the heat, and the solder dries. It's like glue for metal, except instead of gluing two metal parts together, you've put actual conductive solid metal between these two metal parts, which is super useful in electronics anyway, because then you can complete circuits, that kind of thing. Solder is made out of a whole bunch of cool, exotic elements, very frequently tin, maybe silver, and lead, although lead is being phased out. The history of solder, which may or may not be an interesting book depending on who's writing it, could be changing nowadays because the move today is to create more sustainable solder without lead, stuff that's not going to threaten your health as easily. And to make the solder flow more when it's hot, or to make the solder more stable at different temperatures or different environments. So it's still evolving. Solder is neat. Go look it up, go use it. Take that silvery wire and heat it up and bond your own metals together. That's the engineering word of the day. Solder. Hey, this is Pius Wong, your host of this show and resident bio/mechanical engineer and wannabe computer/software engineer. I also host the K-12 Engineering Education Podcast, so if you're into engineering education, please go on over to www.k12engineering.net and check that other show out. Thanks.